Hello and welcome to section 5.1, which is on midsegments of triangles. Theorem 5.1, triangle midsegment theorem. If a segment joins the midpoints of two sides of a triangle, then the segment is parallel to the third side and is half as long. So the midsegment of a triangle is a segment connecting the midpoints of two sides of the triangle. And I have an example here, picture drawn. What is the measure of angle VUO in the figure below? And then explain your reasoning. So VUO is this one right here. And if you're using this theorem right here, it said it'd be parallel. If those two are parallel, you should know something about this one and this one, those two angles. So here's how I wrote it out. It's 65 degrees because UV is a midsegment of triangle NOM. So by the triangle midsegment theorem, UV is parallel to NM. So the measure of angle VUO equals the measure of angle N equals 65, because corresponding angles of parallel lines are congruent, which is exactly what I just said, but that's how you write it typed out. And then I have one more example here. Here's my picture. So if I have this triangle, the big one triangle, and then my midsegment. So I want to find the value of x, and so I know that this whole segment is 38, and I know that this one is x plus 2. You know that half, if you look at the midsegment theorem up here, it says the segment is parallel to the third side and is half as long. So you know it's half as long. So just take 38 and divided by 2 is going to equal x plus 2. And so 38 divided by 2 is 19. And so 19 equals x plus 2. And I'm going to get rid of the 2, so I'm going to minus 2 from this side. So 17 equals x. So knowing that theorem, it's pretty easy to figure out what the midsegment would be, how long it would be. So bring that knowledge with you. We'll talk about it more the next time I see you. Have a good night.